So it's easier to sell to an existing customer who's had a good experience with you than to sell to a new customer, right?
This video is brought to you by Pies Academy.
And in this lecture, I'm going to explain to you how to maximize sales from existing customers. So first, and the strategy is really all about getting them to be reminded about you and giving them something to buy from you. So you know, in your this would be your account, and you go to sales, and or I think it's orders. No, actually sales, right? This is your sales, and then you go and manage sales, which will really bring you to the page where I was, and then you go to completed, right? And these are all the people who ever bought from you. You can scroll down and you can see which gigs they bought, right? For example, so completed, and it's gonna load, and you're gonna see basically everyone who's ever bought from you. Okay, and what I would do if I were you, I would put it into like a spreadsheet or something. I would keep, or some kind of a convenient list, and you would literally go to each person, or maybe you would hire like someone to help you, like an intern or someone to help you online, like a virtual assistant. But you can literally go and you see all the people who added nice reviews. People who didn't add nice reviews, you can reach out to them and ask them to add nice reviews, by the way, right? Because it tells you exactly if they did or not. And but to everyone, you can suggest other gigs, right? So for example, if this person bought a book, this is a gig, the title is cut off, but I'll tell you what it says. It says basically, I'll send you a 100-page book on business ideas on how to start a business. Okay, well, if this person wanted to start a business, guess what? You can sell them anything else that's related to starting a business, right? They started a business, okay, well, what about promoting it on Twitter, on Facebook, on this and that, right? So all kinds of extra things that come after that, you can send them a reminder saying that you still have this. And when you send a reminder, tell them like, hey, you ordered from me some months ago, but I have another cool gig that you might be interested in to help you with your business. By the way, how is your business doing? Re-engage them, and that way you will make more sales from them. Unfortunately, Fiverr doesn't offer an automatic way to contact people, which would be great, but this is something that you can do manually, and especially getting more reviews, getting more orders. This strategy will certainly help you make more money and get more reviews.